Election Commission of India dagi thadorakpa aduga Santosh Kumar Dove Secretary ni khuyek pi thadorakpa ufung kram yamna thamjage General Election Legislative Assembly Manipur gi 2022 gi magi repoll fresh policy lagriba March ki tang ni pa na pangthoklagani hairiba March ki tang manga da pangthokhiba adugumlaba poll du da hairiba makha da piriba polling station taruk asigi vote tawre duga hairiba polling station taruk asigi March ki tang ni pa da repoll fresh poll pangthoklagani haire duga matamna yuki pung tare tagina numidang waram gi pung mari fawba pangthokadabni haire duga makha da pizaraki myam district si sri number ani piri ani sida amana urkhulni amana senapati ni adu magi assembly constituency na urkhul gi oina 44 urkhul ST ni adu 45 singa ST ni adu mogi polling station sing sina 44 urkhul ST gi oina 44 by 45 urkhul E2 ni aduga 45 singa ST gina 45 by 25 kalhang aduga 45 by 31 pe bini aduga ahum share number ahum subda laidisina senapati ni akhoi assembly constituency singsina han bada 47 karong ST ni ani subda 49 tadubi ST ni du ahan bagi 47 karong ST gi sidana magi polling station sina 47 by 49 ngamjuni aduga makhagi 49 tadubi ST gi assembly constituency gi makoi polling station sina 49 by 4 Yangkhulen ini aduga 49 by 51 mau Marafini hainasu palakli amasum pathok sa kibla so kibulan kibyars mem nangak fi gene duga anowa updates mem da lep tan pizarake and thank you.